given dy over dx is equal to x raised to power n, then the integral for that is given as x raised to power n plus 1 over that new power plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant so long as n is not equal to -1. So this c represents the constant which might have been there during differentiation and which upon differentiation resulted in 0 and therefore it did not account in the final answer. So how do we do integration? The question on integration can be framed in any of these four formats. You might be told to integrate, and then you are given the derivative, or you are told find y given that dy over dx is equal to a particular equation, or you may be told to find the equation whose gradient function is, and then you are given the derivative, or sometimes this symbol is used, you integrate that function with respect to x. So it does not matter how the question is framed. This is how we undertake our integration. So we have been given dy over dx and we are supposed to integrate this function here. The rule is add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. So we shall say y is equal to, so we have 12x cubed, add 1 to the power, so it will be power 3 plus 1. And that new power is the one you divide by the term. Then plus 7 x raised to power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, that's the new power. Then plus x, this x is like it's raised to power 1. So you add 1 to that power 1 and then divide by the new power, which is 1 plus 1. And then for this 2, it's like it is 2x raised to power 0. So we shall add 1 to the power. We shall have 2x raised to power 0 plus 1 divided by this new power, which is 0 plus 1. Once you have finished the integration, you add a c to cater for that constant we have talked about up here. Then now we simplify. This is equal to 12x raised to power 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3 plus 1 is 4. Then plus 7x cubed over 3 plus x raised to power 2 over 2 plus 2 raised to power 1 over 1, then plus c. You realize that we can simplify this further, so that will be equal to, this 4 cancels 12 3 times, so we shall have 3x raised to power 4 plus this one we cannot simplify it, so we have 7x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2 can't be simplified, and then 2x raised to power 1 over 1 can be written as 2x, and then plus c. So that is the integral for this equation here. Second question we have been given y prime is equal to a quarter x raised to power 4 minus 2x cubed plus 1 over x squared plus 1. You're supposed to integrate that. Now the first thing you do is to try to ensure that you don't have the unknown we are integrating with respect to on the denominator side. So we remove this one from the denominator and bring it on the numerator. It will be x raised to power -2. So this equation will be y prime is equal to a quarter x raised to power 4 minus 2x cubed plus x raised to power -2. We have just removed it from the denominator to the numerator side plus 1. We have not integrated. That's why it is still y prime. Then now we integrate this. So we shall say y is equal to, you add 1 to the power, so it will be this quarter here plus, times x raised to power 4 plus 1, giving us 5, divided by that 5, that's the new power, then minus 2x raised to power 3 plus 1, that would give us 4, divided by that 4, then plus 2, sorry, not 2, but x raised to power -2 plus 1. -2 plus 1 will give us -1. So we shall divide by -1 again on the denominator side, and then plus this is like 1x raised to power 0. So 0 plus 1 will give us 1. That will be x raised to power 1 over 1, and then plus c. So what we have done is that we have kept adding 1 to the power, we divide by the new power. We didn't have to go this long route where we show that we are adding 3 plus 1. You can add that mentally. We know 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Just write 5 here, divide by that 5, the new power. We know 3 plus 1 gives us 4. You write 4 here, divide by the new power, which is 4. Then we know negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Write negative 1 here, divide by negative 1. Then this is like it was having power 0, x raised to power 0. So 0 plus 1 gives us 1, divided by 1, and then plus c. Now this one can be simplified further. We have 4 times 5 giving us 20. So we shall say y is equal to 1 over 20 x raised to power 5 minus, this cancels here twice, so we shall have half x raised to power 4. Then this one, this minus times a positive will give us minus, so we shall have minus x raised to power negative 1 over 1. Then 1 over 1, that one cancels, so it's like we can write x raised to power 1 and then plus c. So you can remove this over this denominator 1, because we know it doesn't change anything, and at the same time we can simplify that, this one here. So we shall have 1 over 20 x raised to power 5 minus half x raised to power 4, then minus x raised to power negative 1, then plus x, then plus c.